Good morning, students. We are going to learn today in English class a poem from third unit. The name of the poem is Macavity. It is written by T.S. Eliot. Now, who must be the Macavity? What is the meaning of it? All right. Let's find it out. Macavity is a character. It's the name of the character. Let's find it out. Who is it? In this, you can see a cat, right? This cat the name of this cat is Macavity. Okay, why the poet has written a poem on T.S. Eliot has written a poem on a cat. What qualities are you aware of the cat? When we think of a cat, immediately we recall or we imagine cat as stealing milk from the kitchen, and walking very secretly. So these are the qualities that T.S. Eliot wants to talk about the cat, and through this cat he wants to talk about thief, criminals. Okay, so Macavity, the name itself has one word, cavity. Cavity means there is hole, there is nothing. Okay, there is nothing, there is absence of something. So Macavity name is given to the cat, to the criminal, because when he does and he commits some crimes, he steals. Okay, so he is so smart that while stealing, while thieving, when he commits theft and all that, he does not leave any kind of proof, any kind of evidence behind him, and because of that the police is not able to catch Macavity. So here, yes, Macavity stands for a cat, but actually, in fact, T.S. Eliot is talking about a criminal. Let's read it once. Very easy and interesting one. Do you have a pet? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one. That is, yes, he is a mystery. He is a mystery cat. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Macavity, a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Hidden paw. Paw is panja in Hindi. Uske पैर का पंजा. So it says hidden paw. Why hidden? That he commits different crimes, theft and all, but he doesn't leave any evidence. Nobody comes to know who has done this. So that's why the hidden paw. He is known as hidden paw. That's why H and P is capital in hidden paw. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. That is, he disobey all the laws, all the rules and regulations of the government, right? He disobeys, he does not follow anything. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard is police of England. Okay, so bafflement is confused. So even the police of England is confused. They are not able to catch him. The flying squad's despair means they are very disappointed that they are not able to catch Macavity, the criminal. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. They cannot find him. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. His powers of levitation would make a fakir stare. Levitation is actually, it's a power of floating in the air. He does force of gravitation always pulls the object down on the earth, right? Because of gravitation, things fall on the earth. But this Macavity has a special powers. He has special powers of levitation, that he can तैर सकता है, हवा में तैर सकना, that is levitation. So he has the power of levitation that would make a fakir stare. Fakir is a Hindi word, Indian word, right? So that is used as it is. So fakir, we imagine that fakirs have all these kinds of supernatural powers, that they can float in the air. So fakir also gets surprised how Macavity can float in the air, how he can have the powers of levitation. So actually he doesn't float in the air. It means that वो गायब हो जाता है, he disappears after committing crime. He simply run away, and he runs away and nobody can find him out. Even police cannot catch him. Police cannot find any evidence. And when you reach the scene of crime, McCavity is not there. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, McCavity is not there. That means even police tries to find it out, to search him everywhere, in the basement also, everywhere, but they are not able to find him. McCavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if this is the description of McCavity given here, how he looks. So he is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. His eyes are sunken in. उसके आँखें एकदम अंदर चली गई हैं, sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thought. Okay, and his head is highly domed. So this is what is the description about him. And then let's see. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake, right? So that is how it is. McCavity is like that. You feel that he is asleep, but he is wide awake. He cheats others. McCavity. There is no one like McCavity, for he is fiend in feline shape. Feline is cat family, right? So he is devil. Fiend means devil. He is devil in the cat shape, a monster of depravity. Depravity means not to have. What not to have here? Depravity means it does not have any kind of moral values. He does not have any good manners, human values. He is not sensitive at all. He thieves. He robs people. So he monster means Rakshas, monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street. You can see him in the streets, on the roads. You may see him in the square, Chauraha, right? So you can see him there. But when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. So this is how he has written that. What he simply wants to say, T.S. Eliot, he is saying that yes, he is comparing the criminal with the cat, because cat also steals milk and simply runs away. Nobody can find the cat. Similarly, this criminal is also, he commits the crime, he thieves, he robs people, and he simply disappears in a moment, and he doesn't leave any kind of evidence, any kind of proof behind, so nobody can catch him. So this is about the cat. Let's see further. Very simple poem and a short one. Now we can see this is the exercise. Is McCavity a cat really? No, he is not a cat. He is a criminal. His poet is talking about criminal. If not, who can McCavity be? Yes, definitely he is a criminal. Complete the following sentences. A master criminal is one who, what he does? Master criminal is the one who steals and runs away. He plans everything and doesn't leave any evidence behind. The Scotland Yard is baffled because when they go there, Scotland Yard is police of England. When they go there to catch the criminal at the scene of crime, they could not find him anywhere. They could not even trace any evidence left by him. Dash, because McCavity moves much faster than them, right? They are not able to catch him because McCavity moves. The police is not, the flying squad is not able to catch him because McCavity moves much faster than them. A cat, I'm sure, could walk on a cloud without coming true. Jules Verne. Which law is McCavity breaking in the light of the comment above? Definitely, that is gravity, right? He is breaking the law of gravity. Let's see the further few more questions. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call McCavity a fiend and a monster? Definitely. He calls, T.S. Eliot calls McCavity, that is a cat, a fiend, devil, and monster, Rakshas. So definitely he does not like cats. That's why he is calling them such. So in such a manner. Has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Exaggeration is बढ़ा चढ़ा के कहना, बहुत ज़्यादा बताना. Has the poet used exaggeration for special effect? Yes, definitely he has used exaggeration, because definitely cat did not have the powers of levitation to float in the air, but to show that he has powers, that is, he is so good at disappearing from the scene of crime, to show this one that he moves very fast, he is ahead of the police, that police cannot catch him. To show this power or that McCavity has, he used this exaggeration that he can float in the air, he breaks the law of gravitation, he has the powers of levitation. So this is what exaggeration that is used by T.S. Eliot in the poem. So that is it. The poem is very nice. Try to write there is no moral here. He has simply written a poem on a character from a series of novels written by Sherlock Holmes, detective story writer, right? So there is a character in his novels, right? And the name of the character is somewhere around, I think it is Mortiers of something. And he was T.S. Eliot was very much fond of Sherlock Holmes novels. He was a great fan of Sherlock Holmes stories. Okay, so there was a criminal mastermind in his Sherlock Holmes novels, and that's why he has written this poem to write about this master criminal of Sherlock Holmes novel, that is McCavity. So McCavity is a cat, but he represents this main character of the novel, and actually McCavity is not a cat but a master criminal. Thank you so much. Good day.